If your Ego mower has a flashing yellow light on the handles and the blade doesn't spin, try taking off this cover and you will get to this part. This is called a PCBA. You take a red lead off of your multimeter, put it to the black, turn your multimeter to this position here, and then you will take your black lead and you will test. Sorry, it's a little bit fumbly. If you notice, the value is at 0.59. This one gives you audio beep. This one gives you a 0.590. These numbers should be about 0.45 to 0.55. Anything other than that, this is called your PCBA, and it is bad.